Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialU.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about what to do if your Zoom virtual background are not working. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this, and it's a very common question I get, and the fix is very simple. A lot of time people do not have the virtual backgrounds enabled. Let me show you in this video today. So here I am on my Mac, on my computer, and we're going to launch a brand new meeting. Let's do that. Here's the new meeting, and let's join by audio. And if you notice, so I'm going to start the video too. So that's my video, and if you look at this option, the up arrow right here, there is no option for virtual background, and this is the challenge that a lot of people run into. They feel like their virtual background on Zoom is broken, or it's not working, or something is wrong. All you have to do is go to the web zoom.us website and enable it for you to be able to see it here. All right, let me show you how to do that. So I'm gonna close this and meeting. So now we're gonna go to the website zoom.us, and I am gonna sign into my account. I believe I'm already signed in. So once you sign into your account, what you want to do is click on settings right here. Here you go. So click on settings, and then you're gonna look for, let me close these. You're gonna look for virtual background right here. So you see how this option is not enabled. So this is what you want to enable it. So once you enable it, your settings are now updated. I believe you don't have to hit save, it's automatically saved. All right, now I am gonna close this, and let's go back to the Zoom window on my computer. Now, the other thing you want to do is, once you enable your settings, always go to click on your name and check for updates, and make sure you have the most updated Zoom version installed on your computer, because they've been making so many updates and so many changes because of their privacy concerns. So you'll want to make sure you have the latest and the greatest. All right, I do. Now once you do that, now I'm also going to sign out and then sign back in. So I'm signed out and I'm going to sign back in. I log into my account using Facebook, so it's gonna take a minute. Let's go back. There you go. Oh, I had to click on this. There you go. So now my Zoom is launched up, right? All right, now let's go and start a brand new meeting. And now look at the when I click on the start video, so that's me. Everything is working well. And now watch this. So when I click on this up arrow right here, guess what? Now I have an option to choose virtual background. This option was not even there before. So when you click on this, here are different settings. Let me bring it here. So here are different settings, different virtual backgrounds you can. If you don't want to use any, you don't have to, or you can use, that's just for fun. You can upload, add images. So if you click on the plus icon, you can add images or videos. And if you have a green screen, you can click that. And you see right here, now you have a tab for virtual background. Before, you did not even see this option right here. And if you went to the setting, you would not see this virtual background option. So let me close this. Actually close the end the meeting. So this is how you fix your virtual background problem. If you're not seeing the virtual background option in your Zoom meetings, most likely you do not have it enabled. So you have to log into your web Zoom and then turn it on. Now thank you so much for watching, and before you go, click on this other video on the screen. This is the video that I talk about. Zoom had a lot of security problems recently, but you can make your Zoom meetings more secure, and you can keep people from Zoom bombing your meeting. So click on this video and watch that and learn how to secure your Zoom meeting. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.